From Actionable Ops, here's how to turn any workflow you repeat into a single / command using skills. A skill is just an instruction document the agent loads only when it needs it. And here's the key part. Every skill you have is automatically a / command, /plan, /github-pr-workflow, and so on. They all live in one folder, .hermes/skills. Using one is easy. Type /plan and your request, and Hermes loads that skill's instructions and follows them, instead of just winging it. Type the skill name alone, and it asks what you need. And this works everywhere: the CLI, Telegram, Discord, all of it. Writing your own is just a markdown file. It's a SKILL.md file, a name and description up top, then sections like when to use and procedure. Drop its folder into .hermes/skills, and it's instantly a / command, no restart. Better still, the agent writes its own. This is its procedural memory. After a tricky, multi-step task, it can save the approach as a skill and just reuse it next time. You correct it once, and it remembers how, for good. Or use /learn, describe anything, a directory, a URL, or the workflow you just walked through, and the agent authors a skill for you, no handwriting needed. Want a human in the loop? Set skills.write approval to true, and every write gets staged for /skills approve. Skills stay cheap thanks to progressive disclosure. By default, the agent only sees a short list of skill names, about 3,000 tokens. It loads a skill's full text only when it actually needs it, and a deeper reference file only if it has to. So you can have hundreds and pay for almost none. And you don't have to write them all. Hermes skills browse, search, and install pull ready-made skills from trusted sources like OpenAI, Anthropic, and now NVIDIA, each through a security scan first. Group a few into a bundle to load a whole toolkit at once. Or start blank. Install with no skills or run Hermes skills opt-out to seed nothing. That's Skills in Hermes, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.